Hi everybody, it's Dr. Clone here, Public Chiropractic and Physical Therapy. We got Justin here with us, who's going to be a nice support for us today. He initially came to see us for chronic constipation, so I kind of wanted to show you guys what we really do here. Of course, he gets adjusted. Lumbar has a lot to do with intestinal issues, but him in particular, he had a lot of high histamine, a lot of allergens that led to lack of good foods and nutrition. That also, makes it worse of the constipation, I have to say. That being said, one of the things that we do with him is not only the adjustment, but we also do cupping to the intestinal area or region, the belly, by basically massaging or doing a digestive rub up the ascending colon, transverse, and down towards the descending colon, obviously colon and cecum after that. And we do this in a clockwise direction. It does not feel bad, right? No, it doesn't feel bad. And this is such a good way to activate the digestive system, get everything moving, get all that stuff going. And we are happy to report that ever since his chiropractic care and digestive bellies, he's been going to the bathroom every day. I say, Mom, prior to that, how often was he going?
He skipped 2 days, and it definitely was not regular at all.
Okay, great. So we're happy to have regular digestive movement, and more importantly, why is this so important? Because 75% of the immune system lies in the belly and gut. So along with some probiotics, we're going to get some nutritional help this week. Belly rubs and adjustment, he's doing great, and we're happy about that, right? I love that. There you go.